Hello viewers and friends, welcome to new month 1 April 2023. So it's weekend. A lot of people, they take this opportunity to enjoy with families, going out, things like that. But to my side is a different story. We are doing repairs, and we are also selling like laptops, phones. So yesterday we sold this laptop to a customer. I tested everything. The customer gets satisfied. He paid and he went away. Today in the morning, the customer came back like shouting, "You scammed me, you sold me a laptop. We just worked for a day, and from that moment the laptop died." I tried to explain to the customer, but the customer was so much embarrassed, and he was in anger. So before I can show you what this laptop is doing exactly, we are working against time here. This is not just any ordinary work, because we have to work against time. We have given an ultimatum of 2 hours to fix this, or we return back the customer the money he paid yesterday. So at this moment, this is the moment you will feel the heat if you don't have electronic knowledge. Those who are in repair business, they understand what I'm trying to say. So let's see what this laptop is doing exactly. But even myself, I'm so much shocked, because we tested everything. I took out the top frame. Let's power on, because the battery is working. You see the Toshiba sign. Windows is flashing. It's continuous flashing on the screen. So I asked the customer, did you do anything to the laptop, like does it fall down? He said no, the laptop doesn't fall down, nothing happened. This just started from nowhere. So either you fix this in 2 hours, or after 2 hours I'm coming to take back my money. So we have a situation here. You can see it's on recovery mode, but check what this screen is doing. Let's power off the laptop. Off. Let's take out the screen connector. Let's put back the screen connector. Let's plug the laptop again. Same thing. You can see the flashing windows. So basically the laptop just died. So what can be the problem? Any idea? Yeah, the screen is still flashing. You can see BST electronics, and it's flashing like non-stop. So what can be the problem here? The other challenge, we no longer have such kind of laptops in stock. We have like different laptops, and the customer, he said, I don't want any different laptop, I want this one. You can see it's now on desktop menu, but it's still flashing. The screen is still flashing. So let's see Let's see. What I want to do, I want to turn on the laptop, turn off the laptop. Let's unplug the screen. Let's plug back the screen. It's now for the third time. Once. Let's start the laptop again for the third time. On. You know what? You can see the windows flashing. What I want to do, let's look for the 19 volts fuse. What I want to concentrate on the backlight circuit. I will check 19 volts, which is always on from the motherboard. I will check 3.3 volts. I will check those two signals from the startup chip, like backlight enable and a power on signal, PWM. So I will check those 4 test points and we'll see. I can plug the ground from the VGA connector. We do have a big fuse here, 11.6. The output of the fuse 11.6 because it's using the battery voltage. So the 19 volts fuse is okay. We have another fuse here. I know you can't see. 3.28, the output of the fuse 3.26. What about those 2 test points? Can we locate something here? No. The laptop is too on. I'm trying to locate those 2 signals, the backlight enabled and the PWM signal from the startup chip. I can see here we do have 1 test point here. That's the backlight enabled. Oh, no, it's not the point. What do we have here? Here we have 0.76. That's the BL enable pin. And the other pin is the PW, which is here next to the connector. What do we have here? Like 0.6. So all these pins, they don't have 3.3 because they are meant to work with 3.3. That's weird. In most cases you find 1 test point with the 3.3 and the other one missing, but both of them they are missing. So let me power off the laptop. The laptop is now off. I'll put my multimeter on direct mode. I'll try to check short to ground on those test points. No, we don't have short to ground. My black probe is on the VGA port here, on the metal thing, or we can plug even to the USB. Ground is all over. It's not shorted. The other one is not shorted to ground. So, dear friends, now you have to understand why you don't have why you don't have 3.3. So what I would do, we need a jumper here. I want to come up with a jumper from the 3.3 which we checked on the fuse. Where's our fuse? It's on the other side. Maybe you can see this, that's the fuse for the 19, and here we have a small white fuse for 3.3. So let's try to fix the screen. So you understand why you really need basic electronic knowledge on things like that, because if you'll be working, you'll be left with no option. If you fail to fix, for sure you will return all the money to the customer. But I'm sure we must be in a position to fix this. Let's try to fix the screen thing. The fuse was on the other side for 3.3, and those test points are on the other side. But this looks like it's a different configuration. Let me check the power on signal and the backlight signal. It's like 0, 0, you see. So what we have to do, one second, let's come with our jumper from the 3.3 fuse to the power on signal test point PW. I think we'll be fine. How can I do it? I need something here to hold up this connector. Good. Hopefully that will solve the problem. We'll see. Let's check for short to ground. No, it's not shorted. Let's insulate our wire our jumper from the 3.3 volts fuse to the PW test point. Let's insulate that wire. Do you believe it's now working? Let's leave this aside, the screen aside. Let's check out the battery. Let's do it the proper way this time. Let's put back the screen. Screen connector plugged. We just want to test. Thereafter, we can put everything together. Let's put the battery back. Battery is back. Let's power on the laptop on. Toshiba. And our laptop is working. So that's crazy. So clearly the 3.3 was missing from both two signals. But this is the first time to see such kind of two missing signals. Either I found one, either the BL enable will be missing or the PW will be missing. You can see BST Electronics, this is our laptop. We sold it yesterday. Today came with an ultimatum of 2 hours. Fix or you return the money. So I think we are saved. I think we are saved. It's no longer flashing. So what I will do, I'll put all together and we'll test one more time, okay? I just finished putting all the screws together. Let's test now one more time. On. It's on. Toshiba. It's loading Windows. Let's wait. Still loading Windows. So yeah, that was like a bad day for me, because you know when customer come back complaining, you start to explain to ensure that the customer get calm and to come to a point of understanding with each other. Because the customer said your laptop doesn't even complete 24 hours, so it's better to return back my money. And I said, you know what, this is just a slight problem. Let's fix this and we'll give you a laptop. He said, only 2 hours. If you fail, I'll come and take my money. So we spent, I can see on my OBS is close to 20 minutes. So the laptop is working fine. It's no longer flashing. Even if you plug the charger, I can see the charging light here. It's not dimming or doing anything. You can move the screen like this. still the screen is working fine. So if you see a flashing screen, of course the screen can flash because of many reasons. Maybe the screen is fault. So at this point, we trust what the customer has told us, because he said, at first I thought he dropped the laptop down, and from that moment the screen dead, and that's why it is doing this. But I said, you know what, let me check those signals. Maybe they are misbehaving. Okay, so I'll stop this video now. We are saved from refunding back the customer his money. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you on the next game. Bye.